Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to install iOS 17 on your iPhone. Let's have a look. Today I am going to upgrade iPhone 14 Pro Max to iOS 17 from iOS 16. The complete list of iPhones compatible with iOS 17. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap General. Then tap Software Update. Make sure your phone connected with internet. Checking for update. Current version is iOS 16.6.1. Under Also Available, you will see Upgrade to iOS 17. Tap Upgrade to iOS 17. In iOS 17, total file size 3.3 GB. Now tap Download and Install. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm it's you. Now Terms and Conditions, tap Agree on bottom right. Also tap Agree. This will start downloading iOS 17 updates. Update requested. About 12 minutes remaining. Wait for 12 to 15 minutes to download your iOS 17 updates. This will start verifying update. Make sure that your iPhone at least has 50% of the battery remaining. When update verified, it will restart your phone. After restart, you will see Apple logo on black screen. Wait for more 10 to 15 minutes and you will see hello screen. Swipe up to open. Unlock your phone using passcode. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. Tap Continue. Tap Don't Share. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Now open Settings and go to General. From Software Update, you will see iOS 17.0. iOS is up to date. So these are the steps to upgrade iOS 17 from iOS 16. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.